Good morning everyone. In today's video, the legal team of MCL Mexico will talk about the types of commercial companies in Mexico. These are those that are formed voluntarily between a group of people who have a common objective of an economic nature. Of course, these can only exist under a name or company name through capital contributed by the partners. In addition, they have the freedom to carry out all kinds of commercial actions to achieve the goal, as long as they comply with the laws. Take into account that Mexican legislation contemplates various companies, through its General Law of Commercial Companies, LGSM, and the Securities Market Law, LMV. Although they all pursue some type of economic objective, commercial companies are divided into 10 types, according to their purpose, the participation of the partners and forms of administration. 1. Simple limited partnership. This is one of the mercantile companies in Mexico of the personalist type. This means that it can be done at your own pleasure and with the existence of collective partners. Of course, to set up a business as a legal person under this scheme, there must be one or more general partners who respond unlimitedly to social obligations and one or more who only have the obligation to pay their contributions. In addition, the legal name must be made up of the names of one or more partners, accompanied by an company and another equivalent. In addition, the company name must include Sociedad en Comandita, or, as is more common, its abbreviation S. In C. As for the minimum capital, in this type of companies, it is not established, while the reserves must be equal to 5% of the annual profits, until reaching 20% of the total fixed capital. 2. Company limited by shares. To understand this type of commercial company in Mexico, you should know that it is made up of two types of partners, limited partners and limited partners. The limited partners can authorize and monitor the company, but they do not have the power to function as administrators. Meanwhile, the limited partners are obliged to comply with all the obligations of the company towards third parties and, indeed, they can manage. In these companies, a minimum capital is not established either, and the reserve must also be 5% of the annual profits up to 20% of the capital stock. The minimum number of partners is 2, while the maximum is unlimited. 3. Limited liability companies. If you have already taken important steps, such as opening an account on social networks such as LinkedIn, designing strategies to make a successful company and researching bank loan options, but you still cannot define which of the commercial companies in Mexico is right for you. Limited liability companies are highly recommended for SMEs, especially when they will be established with a part of family capital. And it is that the liability of these companies is limited to the contributed capital, so the personal assets of the partners will not be affected in the event that debts are incurred. If you want to review all types of companies, we invite you to read our full article. If you want to open your company in Mexico and you want the MCL legal team to help you, do not hesitate to contact us.